Good morning, good morning, good morning. We ain't gonna waste no time. Go ahead and preheat your oven to 400. So I'm gonna go ahead and start chopping up some red potatoes and sweet potatoes. I am being lazy and not peeling them, so I will be cutting off the skins. I know this is a waste, but I ain't got time, okay? I'm going to take the grapeseed oil and go ahead and put it in the pan and add my spices. I got chili powder, salt, black pepper, and some Creole seasoning. And it does taste great on everything. Now that that's in the oven, I'm going to chop up some green onions and I'm going to try and make some carrot bacon. But y'all, it's a complete fail. I'm going to let you know ahead of time because first of all, you need bigger carrots. Second of all, you need to know how to use the peeler. I'm going to show y'all how I end up learning. And just right there, look. So I won't look like a fool, I'm making bacon bits instead of bacon strips. I'm going to take my liquid smoke, my onion powder, garlic powder, and my Worcestershire sauce. I'm going to stir it well and put my carrot bits in there and put it on the pan. And that's how it's going to look. Don't judge, okay? Don't judge. Moving right along, I got some sausageless sausage from TJ's house. You will put it in a pan with your oil of sauce, and every minute you will turn the sausage, or it's going to get black. Now I'm going to be making my just egg, which takes forever to cook. I'm going to add onion powder, pepper, and I'm going to wait for it to cook. Finally, I add my potatoes, kale, and sausage, and breakfast will soon be served. So I have my scramble with berries and a side of date syrup. How do you make date syrup? I'm gonna let you know. Take you some dates, which they remind me of water bugs. I hate messing with dates, but you know, it tastes good. So after you cut them in half, I want you to take out the pit. This is how it should look when you're finished. Then you're going to take your dates and put it in your blender with some super hot water. I also added some vanilla extract, cinnamon, and a tad bit of maple syrup and blend it very well until you get a thick consistency. This is my snack that ended up being my lunch because it made me very full. It is almond yogurt with walnuts, chia seeds, berries, and date syrup. I know what you're thinking. This right here is for my children. They're going to have some spaghetti with this sauce. I also have some chia seeds. I boiled some noodles. I used the quinoa and brown rice. And I will have the brand on the screen that I used from TJ's house as well. I'm adding my noodles, mixing it all up real good. And then I'm going to add my lentils. So my boys don't like vegetables, so I chopped up some kale and broccoli in my food processor and I'm mixing it in foolproof. Lastly, I am making my jackfruit pulled pork, which looks so good, don't it? Now I'm taking my grapeseed oil and I'm putting it in my pan. I'm going to take my jackfruit from TJ's house, drain out the water, and I'm going to squeeze as much water out of the jackfruit as I can. When you're finished, this is what everything should look like, and I'm going to toss it in my pan on medium heat. Add some onion powder, garlic powder, pepper, apple cider vinegar, and maple syrup. And I got rid of all this stuff because it looked weird. Maybe I can use it because I'm pretty sure they're not going to put stuff that you're not allowed to eat on the inside of the can, but it looked weird. So I threw in some red kidney beans just to give it a little bit more texture. I added some brown sugar barbecue sauce. Yeah, this sauce made this meal. And just like that, you're finished and ready to serve. I'm going to use tortilla chips with some chopped kale, chopped green onions. I also have some almond cheese that I'm going to be sprinkling on top. And then I'm also going to add a drop of sour cream. You don't have to add the sour cream, but that's it. I hope that you all enjoyed this video. Let me know if you have any feedback. I would love it. Until next time.